Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Wix. A favicon is that small icon that appears in browser tabs next to your site's name, and it's a simple way to make your website look more professional and recognizable. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several selections. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to the area where all your site management tools are located. Now you should see a list of all the websites currently associated with your Wix account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you'd like to add your favicon. This step is important if you manage multiple sites, as you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. Once you've found the right site, you're ready to move forward. On this page, look for the Site Settings button. You'll typically find it positioned beside a gear icon, which is a common symbol for settings across most platforms. Click on this button to proceed. This action opens up the configuration hub for your website. After clicking Site Settings, you'll be directed to a comprehensive page that houses all your site settings and configurations. This is where you can adjust everything from general information to more specific design elements. Scroll down through this page until you locate the favicon section. Depending on your current plan and setup, this section might be positioned further down, so take your time navigating through the options. Once you've found the favicon section, the process becomes quite straightforward. All you need to do here is upload the image you wish to use as your favicon. Click on the Upload option and select the image file from your device. Make sure your image meets Wix's requirements for favicons. Typically, a square image works best for this purpose. After you've uploaded your chosen image, you'll notice that a Save button appears in the top right corner of the page. It's important to note that this favicon feature requires a certain Wix plan to be usable, so if you don't see the option or can't save your changes, you may need to upgrade your plan. Once you click Save, your favicon will be applied to your website. It might take a few moments for the changes to fully propagate across all browsers, but once it does, visitors will see your custom icon whenever they have your site open in a tab. And there you have it, you've successfully added a favicon to your Wix website, giving it a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.